In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a spark plug on your Honda Accord. These will be located on the front and back of the motor. Let's get started. We're going to remove the battery negative cable from the battery. To do this, you'll usually use a 10mm socket to remove the terminal. We have updated terminals, so I'm going to be using a 13mm socket. Loosen up the terminal, pull it off the battery, and put it where it won't make contact with the terminal. We're going to be removing one coil on the back of the motor. This should be the hardest. All of them are the same process. This is just the hardest location. We're going to remove the connector. To do this, we're going to push on the tab on the side and pull straight up and remove the connector. There's that tab on the side. Using a 6mm hex head, we're going to remove the bolt for the ignition coil. Remove the bolt, pull straight out and remove the ignition coil. Using a 16mm socket, we're going to remove the spark plug. Install the new spark plug. Be sure you take the cap off. Get the plug started by hand. Torque the spark plug to 13 foot-pounds. Install the ignition coil. Push it all the way down. Get the bolt started. Snug it down. Torque the ignition coil bolt to 8.7 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the negative battery cable. Snug down the terminal. Give it a wiggle, make sure it doesn't move, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.